kids. 17 of them and one on the way. Hey, it's not about like I stop shaking up. They're giving me great
Fur.
Oh, this papa needs a break. So, you two lovebirds headed for Carnival?
Whoa, lovebirds? We're more like acquaintance birds. And not even that, we're more like chain birds. We're more like acquaintance birds. And not even that, we're more like chained to each other birds. Yeah, I mean, what is it with this kid and the feathers?
We have no idea. We're having them tested.
So, do you think you could help us get this thing off?
We're having them tested.
So, do you think you could help us get this thing off?
Lucky for you, you know Rafael. Rafael knows everyone. Oh, the kid with the eye. Okay, you want me to call your mother? That works every time. They're scared to death of her. Death of her.
Call me for what?
Oh, Eva, my love. I must take this young couple to see Louise.
Louis? You don't fool me for a second. You and your amigo just want to sneak off to Carnival.
Carnival. That magical time when I met the most beautiful bird in the world. Still remember the song that was playing when I first laid eyes on you? Tall and tan and young and lovely, the girl from Ipanema goes walking. Come on, baby, sing it.
And watch fast, it goes.
Like a river of the sweetest honey.
Ooh,
Like a river of the sweetest honey.
ooh. I guess love is death, too.
Come here.
Okay, take them to Louise. Hurry back.
You are an angel. I'll miss you, my juicy little mango.
I'll be too, my bunchy papaya. Hey, back up, Carlos. Put your brother down. Now.
I can't believe she actually let me go.
So, how far is this Louise?
Not far. 30 minutes as the crow flies.
And how long has the macaw walks? Bobo here can't fly.
But he's a bird.
Not all birds fly. There are ostriches. You're not an ostrich. Well, not technically.
Wait. My friends, I want to help, but to walk the whole way, it can't be done. But hey, we might as well give it a shot. Let's go quickly. Don't look back. They sense fear.
These.
Hey, my watch!
Hello, boys. Seems like you've had a busy day.
What's this? This is just some stuff we found. Right, boys?
I'm not interested in your knickknacks. Your burgled baubles bore me. There are 2 blue macaws out there, and I need your multitude of eyes to help me find them.
Got it, Big Jim.